Ever wondered if you could travel the world and never pay an ATM fee? Imagine landing in a new country, tired from your flight, and the first thing you need is local currency. You walk up to an ATM, make your withdrawal, and then you see it, a hefty fee from your bank, plus another one from the local ATM operator. Suddenly, that refreshing local drink you were dreaming of just got a lot more expensive. It's a common frustration for travelers and digital nomads alike, those sneaky ATM fees that chip away at your hard-earned money. But what if I told you there was a way to bypass most, if not all, of those fees, even when you're halfway across the globe? What if there was a financial institution that prioritized your access to your money, wherever you are, without punitive charges? Well, that's where Roger comes in. You might be thinking, Roger? Who's Roger? And that's a fair question. While not a household name like some of the traditional banking giants, Roger is a digital-first bank that's making waves, especially among specific demographics, by focusing on transparency, low fees, and global accessibility. If you're a U.S. military member, veteran, or just someone looking for a more financially savvy way to manage your money and avoid those pesky ATM charges, then Roger is definitely a name you should get familiar with. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of where to find Roger's free ATMs globally, let's quickly understand why this is such a game-changer. Traditional banks often charge a combination of fees for international ATM withdrawals, a foreign transaction fee, usually a percentage of the withdrawal amount, and a non-network ATM fee, a flat charge for using an ATM outside their direct network. These can quickly add up, turning a simple cash withdrawal into an expensive ordeal. Roger, on the other hand, aims to eliminate these barriers. So, how does Roger achieve this seemingly magical feat of fee-free global ATM access? It's primarily through strategic partnerships with established ATM networks. When we talk about Roger's fee-free ATMs, we're largely talking about their robust network affiliations. The cornerstone of Roger's global fee-free ATM access is the Allpoint network. Allpoint is one of the largest surcharge-free ATM networks in the United States, boasting over 55,000 ATMs located in popular retail stores like Target, CVS, Walgreens, and many more. This is fantastic news for Roger users within the U.S., as it means easy access to cash without ever incurring a direct ATM surcharge. But what about beyond the U.S. borders? This is where the magic really happens. Roger's commitment to military members extends its reach globally through the AFFN network. AFFN, or the Armed Forces Financial Network, is a global ATM network specifically designed to serve military personnel and their families. This means that if you're stationed abroad, on deployment, or simply traveling near a U.S. military base, you're highly likely to find an AFFN-affiliated ATM that will allow you to withdraw cash fee-free with your Roger debit card. This is a massive benefit, as military bases often have a presence in various countries worldwide. Beyond Allpoint and AFFN, Roger also leverages its affiliations with major global payment networks like Pulse, WorldPay, and Visa. While these networks themselves don't guarantee fee-free access, individual ATM owners can still impose surcharges. Roger explicitly states that it will reimburse any additional fees charged by ATM owners. This is a crucial distinction. It means that while you might initially see a surcharge pop up on the ATM screen, Roger has your back and will refund that fee. This effectively makes almost any ATM worldwide that accepts Visa, Pulse, or WorldPay a free ATM for Roger users, even if there's a temporary charge. This reimbursement policy is a significant differentiator. It gives you the freedom to withdraw cash almost anywhere, without the constant worry of hidden fees eroding your travel budget. Now, let's get practical. How do you find these Roger-friendly ATMs when you're out and about, especially in an unfamiliar country? The most straightforward way is to use the Roger mobile banking app. The app is designed to be your primary tool for managing your account and locating ATMs. Within the app, there should be a feature, often labeled ATM Locator or similar, that allows you to search for nearby ATMs that are part of their partner networks. This feature is usually GPS enabled, so it can pinpoint your current location and show you the closest options. Make sure your location services are enabled on your phone for the most accurate results. Another excellent resource is the Allpoint ATM Locator website or app. Since Allpoint is a core part of Rogers' fee-free strategy, directly using the Allpoint locator can be very effective. Simply enter your location, or allow it to detect your current position, and it will display all participating Allpoint ATMs in the vicinity. Remember, these are guaranteed to be surcharge-free. For international travel, especially outside areas with a strong Allpoint or AFFN presence, you will want to rely on the Visa ATM Locator or the MasterCard ATM Locator. Since Roger debit cards are typically issued on the Visa network, the Visa ATM Locator will show you all ATMs that accept Visa. While these ATMs might initially show a surcharge, remember Rogers' reimbursement policy. You can usually find these locators on the respective network's official websites or as dedicated mobile apps. Look for the Visa or MasterCard logo on your Roger debit card to confirm which network to use. It's also worth noting that many larger banks globally are part of the Visa or MasterCard networks. So, if you see an ATM at a major bank branch in a foreign city, there's a very high chance it will accept your Roger debit card. A crucial step before any international trip is to enable foreign transactions in your Roger mobile app or online banking account. This is a standard security measure that many banks implement to prevent unauthorized activity. If you don't enable foreign transactions, your card might be declined when you try to use it overseas. It's usually a quick toggle within the Manage Card section of your app. Here's a quick recap of the networks and their global reach, emphasizing how they benefit Roger users. Allpoint Network, primarily US focused, with over 55,000 surcharge-free ATMs. Excellent for domestic travel or when you're in the US before or after an international trip. AFFN Network, Armed Forces Financial Network, globally accessible, particularly strong in areas with U.S. military presence. Designed for military personnel, offering fee-free access. Pulse, WorldPay, and Visa networks, these are vast international networks. While individual ATM operators within these networks might charge a surcharge, Rogers' reimbursement policy means you effectively get fee-free access. This opens up almost every ATM worldwide that displays these logos. Let's talk strategy for maximum savings. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.